What's wrong with black children? Something happened to the black family that we still haven't fully repaired. For generations, policies, economic barriers, discrimination, incarceration, changing social expectations placed enormous pressure on black families. And somewhere along the way, too many black men and black women began seeing each other as the problem. That may be one of the greatest tragedies of all. Women gained educational and professional opportunities, and they should have. But while opportunities were changing, we didn't always teach our families how to change together. We didn't teach enough about partnership, communication, conflict resolution. Respect is a huge one. Or how two strong people merge their strengths without competing for control. Now look at what some of our children are watching. If a boy constantly sees men dismissed, yelled at, or treated as though their voice doesn't matter, he may begin believing that's what manhood looks like. And when men repeatedly feel that their voices don't matter, some don't fight louder. They go silent. Then we ask, where are the men? Some are standing right there, but they stopped believing there was a place for them at the table. And here's where we have to be careful. Black women are not the enemy. Black men are not the enemy. We cannot repair our families by blaming one another. Our boys need to see strong women who respect men and strong men who respect women. They need to see disagreement without destruction, strength without domination, leadership without competition in the home, and love without somebody having to lose. The next chapter of the black family cannot be man versus woman. It has to be man with woman, mother with father, family fighting for the children. Because our boys are watching us. And what we model today, that may repeat tomorrow. Family, all ingredients count.